Okay, hey guys. So I'm here in my GT class, and we have to make a roller coaster, and we made it with me, Rick, and my friend Jackson. Yes, an unknown friend because for security reasons. Anyway, so what it's supposed to do is it's gonna drop some marble.
Roller coaster.
It's gonna loop. It's gonna jump over here, and it's gonna have a little jump. It's gonna ride over here, hit the erasers, and should fall right on the ground. Wow, okay.
Marble.
Oh yeah, film.
Roller coaster.
Okay.
And
Okay, go.
take one.
Take one.
Oh wow, first try.
Yes, that's awesome. Okay, and that is how you do it. Hope you have fun. Bye.
And we're gonna do a loop-de-loop. We're gonna make this thing a loop-de-loop.
No, we're not gonna make it a
we
loop-de-loop.
will make it a loop-de-loop.
We might make it a loop-de-loop.
We will make it a loop-de-loop.
See you next time. Bye. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more types of these videos, it's not like a skit or me being random, then leave a like. Okay, bye.